Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this Sunday's best deals starting February 18, and also at the end of the video I'm going to be sharing with you the ad scan starting this Sunday. The first deal I'm going to be sharing is the Wet n Wild. If you spend 10 you get 5 ECB. So here's a deal idea: buy 2 of the foundations for $5.99. If you receive that coupon, it's called Extra Care coupon, deducting 4 off 10 Wet n Wild items. You could use that coupon. You will pay $7.98. You get back 5 ECB, and your total will be $2.98 or just $1.49 each. But if your store does the early activation, meaning that you're able to do this deal on Saturday night, what you could do is use 2 coupons, deducting 2 off 1. Because it expires on Saturday, you do the same deal scenario. You'll pay $3.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it free or $1.02 moneymaker. The next deal will be the soft soap. If you buy 2, you will get 2 extra bucks. So what you could do is buy 2 for $4. There's no coupons needed. You will pay 4. You get back 2 ECB when you buy 2, and your total will be $2 or just $1 each. The next one is a free item. You will get the Extra or the Eclipse gum singles. They're going to be 99 cents. But when you buy 1, you will get back 99 cents in ECB, making this just free, and you don't need any coupons to do this deal. The next offer is the Fiji Water. It's going to be on special for 2 for $5. What you could do is buy 2 for $5. There's no coupons needed. You will pay 5. But you could submit it to checkout 51. If you get the 1 liter one, and you get back 50 cents, making it $4.50 or just $2.25 each. The next deal we're looking at is the Garnier. When you buy 2, you'll get 5 ECB. So here's an idea: you could buy 2 of the towelettes for $6.79 each, so your total will be $13.58. Use 2 of those coupons, deducting $2 each, so you pay $9.58, but you get back 5 ECB at the end of your receipt, so your total will be $4.58 or just $2.29 each. Another idea could be buying 2 of the mask. You cannot use any other coupons, so the total will be $6.18 depending on the price in your store. You get back 5 ECB when you buy 2, making it a total of just $1.18 or 59 cents each. If you receive a CVS coupon, it's called Extra Care CVS coupon, deducting 4 off 15 in Garnier facial care. You could combine it with this deal: buy 1 of the towelettes and one of those products that is a cleanser, a mist, that costs $8.99, so your total will be $15.78. Use 2 coupons that deduct $2 each, so that's going to be deducting $4, and also use that coupon that I mentioned that it will deduct $4 when you spend $15. Your total will be $7.78. You get back 5 ECB. Then your total will be $2.78 or just $1.39 each. The next idea is for the Maybelline. If you buy 2, you get 5 ECB. So here is an idea: buy 2 of the twin brow and eye pencil for $3.99 each. Your total will be $7.98. Use 2 coupons that deducts $1 on each. You pay $5.98, but you get back 5 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it a total of 98 cents or just 49 cents each. Another idea could be buy 1 of the brow pencil and 1 of the Total Temptation mascara or any other mascara. Your total will be $13.48. Use 1 coupon, deducting 1 for the brow and $3 for the mascara. You will pay $9.48 in the register, but at the end of your receipt you will get 5 ECB, and your total after all the coupons have been applied and the ECB will be $4.48 or $2.24 each. The next deal will be for the Covergirl. When you buy 2, you get 5 ECB. Make sure that you do activate the offers on checkout 51. So what you could do is buy 2 of the brow pencils for $4.79. Your total will be $9.58. Use 1 coupon, deducting 3 off 2. You pay $6.58. You get back 5 ECB, but then you submit it to checkout 51. You will get back $4, and your total will be free or $2.42 moneymaker. I was able to do a similar deal last week, and I did get the cash back from checkout 51, specifically for this product, the eyebrow pencil, so it did work for me. If it's not in your app, check your savings star. There is other savings as well, cash back for the Covergirl too. The next deal I'm going to be sharing is the Physicians Formula. If you buy $10 worth, you get 7 ECB. So here's an idea. You could buy 2 of the eyeliner for $5.99. Your total will be $11.98. We're expecting a 3 off as an instant coupon. So you can use that coupon. Once you scan your card, you will pay $8.98, but you get back 7 ECB, making it a total of $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Another idea is a cleansing stick, and this one is a new item. And this one costs $9.99. You could use that coupon in the instant. It will be a CVS instant coupon, and so you pay $6.99. You get back 7 ECB, making this free. Remember, I'm going to be sharing a few deal ideas for Physicians Formula, since there are so many good new items out there, but this is a limit of 1, so you could just pick one of these deals. Another one could be the mascara. It's also for $9.99. You could use that coupon, the instant coupon. You pay $6.99, but you get back 7 ECB, making it free. Another idea is the highlighter for $10.99. Use that coupon, the instant coupon. You pay $7.99. You get back 7 ECB, and your total will be 99 cents for this new item, which is a pretty nice highlighter. The other offer is for any Nivea body lotion or cream. You spend 10 and you get 5 ECB. So here's an idea. Buy 2 of the cream. They cost $6.79. Your total will be $13.58. Use 2 coupons that deducts $2 each. So you pay $9.58. You get back 5 ECB when you spend 10 or more, making it a total of $4.58 or just $2.29 each. The next item is the Garnier Whole Blends Hair Care. It's on special for $2 for $7, but also if you buy 3, you get 3. So I noticed the best deal is if you buy 4 for $3.50 each. So your total will be $14. You use 4 of those coupons, deducting 2 on 1. And so you'll pay $6. You get back 3 ECB for buying 3 of the hair care. And the total will be $3 or just 75 cents each. But if you receive this CVS coupon deducting $2.50 off 9, you could combine that with that deal I just shared, and your total will be $3.50. That's how much you will pay on the register. But since you're going to get back 3 ECBs when you buy 3, your total will be 50 cents for all 4 hair care or just 13 cents each. The Ramone deal is if you buy 2, you get 5 ECB. So here's an idea. You could buy 2 of the broad this way for $4.59. You pay $9.18, but there's no coupons needed. That's how much you pay at the register, but you get back 5 ECB when you buy 2. Your total is $4.18 or $2.09. I don't know if you received a coupon, an extra care coupon last week saying deducting 3 off 12. So you could do a similar scenario. Just make sure that you do reach 12 and you will be able to use that coupon if you did get it, and you'll be able to save even more. Another deal will be for the LOreal. If you spend 15, you'll get back 5 ECB. So here's an idea. You could buy one of the LOreal Lumi, which is one of those new items. They do cost a little bit high, which is for this one. Just buy one for $14.99. Use one of those coupons that is specifically for the Lumi collection. You'll deduct $4. So at the register, you'll pay $10.99. You get back 5 ECB, and your total will be just $5.99, and it is a limit of 1. Another idea is for the setting spray. I have seen it for $7.99. You could buy 2 of those. Your total will be $15.98. Use 2 coupons, deducting 2 off 1. So it will deduct $4. So you pay $11.98 out of pocket. But then you get back 5 ECB when you spend 15 or more. And your total will be $6.98 or just $3.49 each. There's going to be certain items from Quaker that if you buy 2, if you spend 10, you will get 2 ECB. So here's an idea. You could buy 4 of the Quaker Oats. When you buy 4, it will be $10, and you could use 2 of those coupons, deducting off 1. So you pay 8 at the register. You get back 2 ECB when you spend 10 or more, and your total will be $6. There's also some other ideas. There's no coupons for it, but there is some cashback offers on Ibotta, and you could check and mix and match to see which one is the one that you would like to get. The next idea is for the Cottonelle Scott or Viva Vantage. The deal is if you buy 3, you get 5, and they're going to be a special for $4.99. So what you could do is buy 3 of the Cottonelle or any of the items that are, I mentioned the name, and there is a coupon for it. But just keep in mind that the coupon does expire on Sunday. So if you buy 3, it will be $14.97. Use 3 coupon that is for $1 each. You'll pay $11.97 when you get back 5 ECB. there is an Ibotta offer giving you 50 cents. So your total will be $6.47 or just $2.16 each. If there was something I missed, you could share that in the comments below. I'm trying to do this as quick as I could just so you could have all of those best deals way before Sunday. And this was the best that I could. If there was anything that I missed, just forgive me for that. But like I said, you can mention that in the comments section and I will appreciate that. Also, after this section, I'm going to be sharing with you quickly the ads. All the pages for the upcoming ad that it starts this Sunday. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.